Hello to friends and welcome to my living room. In this short video I would like to share with you my new project that I recently completed, and it will be about how I store some of my knives. So I bought two of these display cases. These are display collectors display cabinets. These are made by company Interlink. You can choose from black and white, and since I have more my furniture white, so I opted for this one. And we have here is it. This is a collector's display cabinet made out of cardboard, melamine coated white decor, and here is the company name. If you're interested, you can check them out. I don't know if these are available also in the United States. The measurements are, this was the largest one that was available, so it is 80 by 60 by 9.5. So I bought two, and they are mounted, so screwed into the wall on 4 points, so basically two by two, and then I also secure them together not to have a large gap between the two with just two screws. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and you can mount them on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. So I wish they would give you more shelves so that I can display even more knives, but yeah, this is how it is. So I can finally display more of my Rough Riders here. Basically they lived on another shelf in boxes right there. Okay, so yeah, so this is the setup right here. And if you're interested, just let me know. I can maybe point you in the directions, but this is, as far as I know, the cheapest option for displaying. I bought them at $59.90 per display cabinet. There was a discount, a 20% discount. Usually they have always 20% discount. I don't know why, because they are listed at $79.99. And when I bought my first one more than a year ago, with all of this inflation, the price was the same. So yeah, it's nice they keep the price. So let me switch perspectives. Okay, so here is the first one, the original one that I have mounted. And as you can see, the Rough Rider cabinet is full. A few are out there for review purposes or size comparison purposes, but yes, I had to buy more so I can display them. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm happy to reply as soon as I can. This was just a quick one, and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.